Next I show. Beach is full. So that was my mom singing Merry Christmas to you all in Delta language, which is where she's from. I mean, I have the sweetest mom ever. My dad is late, but then we just decided to make her happy this Christmas and just bring her out. Normally she would say no to the beach. I mean, look at us sitting down and we're just staring at everybody playing. We don't like to go near water anyways, but then my son kept disturbing. I want to go to the water, I want to go and swim. I'm like, where? So we just chilled, had food, had drinks, and at some point the children wanted to play, but we got to, the beach late because we didn't leave on time. We didn't make up our mind on time. So we had to just do so much staring. I didn't like the fact that we didn't move close to the water. I didn't like the fact that anyway, in a nutshell, I wish I went close to the water or my feet, my hands, touched the water, but that wasn't going to happen on my mom's watch because she would be like, no, don't go close to the water. In fact, for her to even follow us to the beach this year was like a miracle. But trust my sister, she's always the life of the party. She had to drag everybody, including myself and my husband, out. She's like, you come out. So we had so much. We had food, we had drinks, we munched. The children were bored. They wanted to go and dance because there was this MC, that was hosting people by the poolside because it was a private beach. So we had to, quickly hurry up the food and drinks. I don't drink, but I mean, I had to taste this. Don't judge me, don't judge me. I tasted it. It tasted a bit funny. I don't know if I should say sour or bitter. I don't know. But you see the expression on my face. Yeah, so the children wanted to dance. We were still munching. I asked if my son was going to take the horse ride, but they said no. Told the children to start dancing. You can hear my son at the background saying, I want to. They wanted to dance. So we decided to go to the poolside where the MC was, and the children started dancing. Of course, Matilda, follow at famous Matilda on Instagram. She danced to a point where she was being sprayed. I don't know, I'm sure she made like maybe over 10K that night. She danced. My sons also danced. Some children were swimming in the pool, but when they saw other children dancing, they came out of the pool. You can see the boy and the sister behind wearing their swimwears and dancing. The children had fun. They were sprayed. I mean, it was a beautiful, day. My queen was busy doing some backflips and all. I decided to dance with my husband. Only a few people know what we went through just a few days before Christmas, of course. And Matilda was busy packing her money, of course, best dancer things. We dance in our family anyways. Yeah, more dancing and dancing. Man, just enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to follow at famous Matilda on IG. Support my nieces. And if you haven't liked this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Using this opportunity to say thank you so much to Team Energy for standing by us with their prayers. Thank you, Pastor Sean, for your prayers and everyone who reached out. Thank you so much.